welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, happy Wednesday. So I am about to put some makeup on. Today is actually my birthday, so I decided to vlog. Not really doing a whole lot of exciting things today, but I figured I'd vlog the day. So I did some work on the computer this morning. I have a meeting for the boutique at 11. And then I actually made dentist appointments for the kids for after that. And what else? Oh, and then I'm going to dinner later on tonight. We're all going to dinner. We're all going to get dressed up and go to dinner. I'm going to show you guys some of my gifts. I'm about to do my makeup right now, so I'm going to record it, but I'm not going to talk through it. I'm going to speed it up because I want to watch some YouTube while I do it, so I can do it really quickly. My lashes still holding up, y'all. Usually, this eye right here would have been pretty much gone, and I would be looking crazy, but I've been doing good. I think it's because I sleep on this side, but I've been trying not to sleep on my face. My mom is here. She's making me a banana pudding. That's my favorite dessert. Let me do my makeup. Y'all, I got my nails done and everything. Who is she? Hey, we are back and it's dark. So I just left my meeting and I have to make some very important decisions very soon in regards to the boutique, but I'm excited about it. So yeah, that was interesting. I can't wait to tell you guys about it. I'm really excited. I don't look like it, but I really am. I'm just like in deep thought because I have so many decisions to make. I have so much to do if I'm gonna do it. So like, I'm just like, oh my, I just feel kind of overwhelmed, but it's all good. So now I'm waiting outside. Scott went inside to get me an acai bowl. Am I saying it right? Acai bowl. But I used to kill these bowls like every day. They're so good. But they are high in carbs, but they're so good. So yeah. Oh, and did you guys know that you can do like a private screening at the movie theater, like just you and your family in your own auditorium? Well, I thought that was just like a hoax or whatever. Like I didn't think it was real until I went online and it actually is, and I reserved one for Halloween night because we're not going trick-or-treating. So Kaden keeps saying, I can't wait till Halloween, and little does he know we weren't doing anything. So I decided to book that place, and we're gonna do that, and the kids can like dress up in their costumes, and I have a bunch of candy already. Today is a school day because we actually have to head back home after we leave the dentist so he can finish up his schoolwork. Somebody aggravated me, and then the kids started aggravating me, and I was like, you know what, let me get out of here before I throw all this stuff. So yeah, I'm about to eat this bowl. I think I'm gonna get the kids some lunch before their appointment. Like, but should they eat before they go to the dentist? Yeah, because then they're not gonna be able to eat afterwards, right? So yeah, they're gonna eat some lunch, go to the dentist, and then we're going back home to hang out until it's time to go to dinner. I say hi to the vlog. Nobody said hi to the vlog. Gigi.
Hi.
Gigi? Hi. Thank you. Hello. So if the quality of this video changed, it's because I am now using my phone. I don't know where I put my camera. I just got back home from having dinner, and I literally had to run out the door because we were running late. My head is chopped off. We were running late. Now I'm too low. So I forgot my camera. And now I'm back home and I don't know where I left my camera. So I'm using my phone because I wanted to show you guys what I wore to dinner. I was kind of cute. I got on my dress from my boutique. Boom, boom, super cute. I got on some black tights and I had on some black boots. And I wanted to show you guys what I got for my birthday. So this is part 1 of my birthday presents. Now these are the boots I wore tonight. I had to bust them out. These are Christian Louboutin. Look at that. I already just look guys, this is from one wear. See that? I don't know how I'm like, this is how I walk. Cause I don't know how this happens on the first wear. They need to already come with a protectant as much as these shoes cost. But these are very, very comfortable. What are these called? I think these are called the Eloise booty, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what these are called. I wanted some gold pumps, so I got these. I think these are really cute. These run big. And what are these called? I was looking everywhere trying to find Claire Coco Metallo. Claire Coco Metallo. These are gold pumps. And these are also very comfortable. Like I said, I don't like the super high heels. I think these are one of my favorites. So I got these YSL booties. I haven't had a chance to wear them yet. Now these run, let me see what size I got. These run small. So normally, if something says it runs true to size in these like Italian shoes or whatever, true to size for me is a 40. So in these, I would have to even go up a half a size. A 40 is me going up a half a size from my US normal size. So I'm automatically I always go up a half a size. But with these, I should have gone up a whole size. But they're so crazy about exchanges. Like, you can't have a particle from even trying them on. And I had already, like, wore them around the house. So I knew I wouldn't be able to take them back. But they're pretty tight. But they're still cute. And I like them. I just wish they had a zipper. This, you just have to, like, stick your foot in it. And that makes it, like, even harder to get them on. But I have a trick. Let me show you guys a trick. I bought these. Hold on. I bought these. They're like, what do you call these? These little sock thingies. These sock thingies. And they're like, kind of like stocking material. And it makes your foot just slide right in. And in these babies that I love, these are so beautiful. Look at these. These I got a size 41. Like, you see how the sizes are just so crazy? I'm so tired and I'm full. It's these. Can you see? These are Jimmy Choo. And these are a size 40. But these I should have gone up a half a size too. Because these are tight and they hurt. I think I gotta break them in or something. Because the second time I wore them, they fit a little bit better. I guess I was just in a boot mood. I've been in a boot mood since the weather is breaking and it's getting cold outside. I just been wanting a whole bunch of boots. So that's what I did. So this weekend I am going to New York to get the rest of my gifts that I wanted. Because I'm a spoiled brat. I'm mad oily too. And I'm gonna try to vlog that day. I'm not making any promises because y'all see how it is. But I'm gonna try to vlog that day and show you guys my little trip to New York. And which is actually gonna be Halloween day. So then I'll also vlog what we do for Halloween. But right now, I'm gonna get ready for bed. Okay? I had a pretty good day. Oh, my mom made some banging banana pudding. She put her foot in it, okay? And I killed it earlier. I want to get some more now, but it's late and I shouldn't be doing that. But I'm going to tear it up tomorrow, okay? I'm going to tear it up. That is it, y'all. I'm 31 years old. Can you believe it? I'm very grateful and very, very, very blessed. Sometimes I got to stop and think and be grateful for the life that I'm able to live. In spite of, you know, all the stuff I have going on, I still got to look on a positive note and still be positive and still say that, you know what, I am still blessed to be able to be home with my kids every day and take care of them and still live a very good life. So, with that being said, thank you so much for watching my little birthday vlog that I half vlogged because I kept forgetting, and then I ended up running late and I ended up actually being very busy, and I didn't think I was going to be that busy. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support thus far. We have big news on the way for the boutique. Stay tuned. You're not going to believe it. If anybody can guess what the big news is down below, you will get a prize. I don't know what it's going to be, but it's going to be good. Because I'm a good gift giver, okay? Oh, speaking of that, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. So I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for when I reach 500 subscribers. So if I reach 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway that you don't want to miss. So y'all, comment, subscribe, like this video, share this video, help me get to 500 subscribers, and I am doing a huge giveaway. Okay? See you in the next vlog.